If your Steamworks default branch isn't updating, follow these steps to ensure your changes go live directly. First, log into Steamworks and go to Builds. Default branch. Check that the branch you want to update is selected correctly. Steam only updates builds for the branch that is actively set as the default. Next, confirm that the latest build has been uploaded and marked as active. If the build isn't active or hasn't finished processing, the default branch will not reflect your changes. Also, verify that you are editing the correct app ID and depot ID in your build script. After confirming these settings, save and refresh the dashboard. Test the game from your Steam library to ensure the default branch is updated. If it still doesn't update, try re-uploading the build to same branch. As a last resort, contact Steam support with your app ID and branch details for assistance. That's how to fix the Steamworks default branch not updating.